Woman to make me man of
for Mama, huh? And let's see, a toss 8th of October. You will say, ever discuss it, in Yama Coswell, Chrome has say, and some Russia who are not some Betia, and Yama be bringing a Coswell and Mantem, 7 predators, and 2 trooper, and Memmanon, Colana, a future leaders, no, the Ombe, Yama Coswell, Sikan Cheer. And kunkum and in particular say yeah before they say no more the woman yes so pa na you know me obi antia se de enema ekoso said de enkwala no de ekomo mtim e de anwa na asuma omo hwa na akire omo de omo nye ene eye da kese a say ye nia bre pa yi ntimi amiti he frame o de no ho dimpa ena me de Isaac Asare
I'm Mr. Frank Boyd.
Patricia.
Okay, Auntie Patricia, Uncle Frank, and Isaac here, Damasi. And it's here for 7 periods. Obia, Bibi Hanu Biano, and Nisa Tinaho. When you link Bia, and I said, Be a bit in your boy, said a bit in your boy, who buy my Marian fee, because, my dear, see a little tie, and you might be bringing your cost, and now what to say for North London, a channel better near South London, near Co East, near Co West. Then you know, to bois. And to what said a bit madden, Abuama and Sa knife, gun, and Colau Cusco, Kutasicano, and what ding, yet Ninka, the Binima Bebredi, and the Etia. 7 last week Saturday, Niaka Samico share a bunch in the last 2 weeks ago, no share the unit now. I will Coshet the Nima me cum, Coshet the Papa cum, trading a bushing for I'm now more and now more to a honum. Mummy moi. Nti enna me ba ha me bi se me nua no mpanifo ya wo ha se ede kura enema the youth yi omotimi adwene se okoba bia so de se kan ehye no bag mu ana se hye no ho de ko wo bie
we bi se bia ye pa na em se yedum pensu bia kromo a ebifo na ye ku ye ho before kola na ekuko before ma no na ya say obetiti akola bedu be bi na ebia ofifie na ofifi pepem na nso pia monten na ode ne ho abo adobone na ni nyina nso bebre so gira enye awofo no per se ebi say akola bi won ma na awofo ofifi pepem na ebo pia monten a afekubo nti no ode ne ho abo dombi obedu fie na opa na no Etiana Mispiano, I say, a cocolano, say, well, Pia, yes, she won't know, a Biopia queen, see a bisa, Tambena Beba, or Maya, I will see a follow up. Be a bisa. Then the crack said, 1 year in free Ghana, before men, every Ghana, African men for no. They place their own for Cameroon, for Nigeria, for boys. Woman, they what influence of Ghana phone call and so between us, for Ghana phone call and air car. But women won't push you to the corner. It is a mere maker say, a beer to me. Was soon and sending. I beer to me, may bar me to cry, as somebody see yet. I never charm yet to cry. Or quack unity. If you 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes will be free and say, as some say that to your banner. There, Mamma, because then you didn't so audio be our son. And so a chance one, Okoda King's College 11 days on life support. Every year 11 days no give you up. I'm free. You see it just last month. And the air you say about now to the call potential. Why let me be a white baby out or ten home or yet my papa. Next will be to from Kuno. It is a medium. You ever see a share? Send your worker say, then a year a member. No one, a bino, actually, we want Colonial youth programs. And the Colonial be one number says, we are school and a school after school, no enough. I was saying, school, no, my mind, I were not open be more, no more year after school. Playgrounds will be around one to two, and the year building sites. It is a compact, and a demand to youth for employment in your papa. It will be our new year, the way I saw the Fekupon of Bedante. The answer of over fear no like it on Wakama or Panano. Thames a crab at Macano. Echo in our baby carry a messenger to do that.
Mr. Kakra, maybe back can't yet. Mr. Body, I can't sorry. Yeah, I'll for man titi. A set young show, your my a court, your man. Akwalabi ohonma o fia o yeti se wo the angel enso so no opia bontia at times kwa bia wadaf bi kra betimi ehu ba wa bontin wa ka kire se bia mehu esumesima mehu bia oba ewe ewo ha na wo asema da yesa se wo fi sa oba no yenti no na bia wo defende oba no ebi so ana eye no kra wanim no esa bia soro ana bia kasa pepi a wo ka kire no na so so wo influence or outsiders no e wo influence on so nti no na ama ase e ma wo nyi eni nipa no beba e ba ka kire ma wo nyi ni papa because wo feel say wo de oba no training out de ama oba no wo hu se oba no betumi akodo ni gang ana se wo hu se wo nyi ntumu se oba no betumi asmoke e wo outside wo nyi ntumu se bia o man bia okwa abonti a dwumadi a woni ada gangs ye munyi ntum aya na ye onwanwa but ba ne sa ye na fofo no prompt ye nya ye fo ye ni ntufam na ye study akola ni bi na ye bi se some questions bia na bibi nti bia na omu hia bibi kakresika ana bibi bia omu nyam frifie nti ne bia omu do omu ho akodom sa ekuo no cause ekuo no koma yeso kwa ukoton ebia drugs say ye bema o say na bia trainers bia wo painting no na ode no ho akwa akodom enti no me feel say man titi na fe ye mom pa ye ma ye ma no and also play very important parts say ye ma spiritual side no so ye about time ye fe ye funtu ho na ye mom pa because nya e kwaso me to me me who say and yet just a normal thing the spiritual outside as well it's no young fan pipe and so entire manachi sabaya onyankopa dum na impo so bonifo na apply say opese omoyi weyi kolana ni efi o vision so a onyankopa na dum na kasabesan a apagya wo mo na nia obonifo ahyehye ni entumi emmem before sakakra this me wo economy bi ba me ba everything so
right the me so wo kan say me Ghana ba kuma as a young boy in school ye tell say wo fie say de me ma me ne papa kan say wo fie a behavior totally different ba wo kwa bonten a de onkrofo ye no ops ye na person so dey wo follow did they be catch ya wo fo bi me so me tie me ba me mani Kajen say, "Drew be a free ye mass near Bobby Mass see a baby coffee. There be the initial see a book of fee. And ye mindset tonight, I say, a baby and why you money a coffee. Ye, you must near neglect a man. In that time, mom, to Oma the Omo parent, a family no parent, no money parent, and maybe corner me may fee. Now, a balance will appear no may fear. Mimi, me, money. I'm fear, and I said, the member yet man or buy a juma. What's about whom Tinefi? No, she said, and the money at the air. But sometimes so you want, believe me, was kuro bi asa oba nko be ma nko amfa ama din se be ma no nko abe de ebe ko be ba de me kire se o se ba ko ti na adwuma so kakra no timi nya time e ma nkora na ofie bo se nkora ye pia upia do upia kura betimi ahye bibi different especially man ko pia ahye bibi oba ko no yi no na bi fufuro na ye de hye no ena de be se o se yes ye ka en ma no ba ye ho sa so ne ye ko be ku bia no ko ye ye no mo ye de e ko eno so be bo ama we bi so achi shaka mi so
na yɛhwɛ mu paa ɛdeɛn na de saa sekan especially ɛdeɛn na ɛbɛba akwalaa tiri mu anaasɛ young man ti wɔ ɔkɔ abɔnten a na ɔde sekan ahyɛ ne bɔtɔ ne baage mu anaasɛ ɔde ahyɛ no ɛdeɛn paa na ɛde ba
ɛne sɛ ɔmo ɛfiri sɛ ɔmo ɛni protection me feel sɛ because sɛ ɔmo bile wɔn outside nti no ofiri sɛ well ɔno nso knife ɛwɔ ne ho a because bi a nea wahu nti no ɔno nso bi a nea asi nti no ɔno nso feel sɛ wɔtumi ɛde biribi ɛto ne ho protect ne ho na sɛ for self defence na sɛ bi obi ɛba ɛbɛ attack na ɔno nso de defend ne ho me saa na mehu no for self defence ɛno nso ɛmoa nti ɛno na akɔ so a ɛyɛ agye nsɛm no
nokorɛ sɛ na ne wife ka nokorɛ ɛm sɛ nea ɛkɔ so nyinaa no ɛyɛ influence so akwadaa bɛfa knife afirifie a na ɔbɛtɔ knife ɛde ayɛ biribi a ɛwɔ nea nkɔmmɔ a obi ne na di a ato ne tirim so nkɔmmɔ a obi ne na di a ato ne tirim sɛ ɔne obi ni nkɔmmɔ na sɛ da bi a ɔte fie ɔkɔ sukuu a ɔmfa knife to na biribi a asi wɔ n'ani so ama obi awɔ obi sika anaasɛ wahu sɛ obi ri knife ato ati obi a wanya ɔyɛ selfless wɔntumi atete ne ho ɛma ɔtɔ apɔkyerɛ mu a obi a wɔn pere anana bibi no ɛdi ɔfo sɛ ɛnna mi nso mi kɔ a nipa yi hyɛ no just in case obi atake me a ɔn but ɛno nso so no ɔno wa de n'adwin ebu ɛsan nea ɔhu wɔ abɔntenten ɔbaa yɛn no yɛde n'ani nkɔmɔ ɛgya ne papa n'ani nkɔmɔ ɛna school ti sɛn ɛdeɛ ne baa yɛ sɛ wo ne di sɛ nkɔmɔ na ɔbɛnya sɛ opportunity no aka sɛ ema ɛnɛ bus stop akɔla bi a na ɔbɛfo bus ɛna boys bi yɛ sese na wo no anya opportunity so ɛna ɛnɛ atu ne fo ɛsan sɛ ɔbaa yɛni fie ɔne yɛ bɛdi nkɔmɔ ɛsan yɛ adwuma yɛ ne ade ti no ɔno baa na saa sɛ ɔde ahyɛ ne ti na ɔno afa ne plan so nti yɛniwa parental side no yɛniwa yɛne ɔbɛdi school nkɔmɔ ɛna yɛfiri adwuma ba so a yɛabrɛ ɔyɛfa kɛseɛ no parents no gyina yɛ so bebree yɛmmisa wɔn kɔ a so wayɛ homework ane sɛ wayɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ ebi wɔ kɔ a yɛnhwɛ kankɔda yɛ no kyena bɛkɔ school ne yɛaka no na ɔkɔhyɛ dɛm mu ɔhyɛ dɛm mu wɔ so a bi a television wɔ ne dɛm anaasɛ ɔkuta ne phone a wonnim communication a ɔyɛ kwadwo wada wonaɛ fa phone ma me dum phone no wagye phone wadum no anɔpa na deɛ na de ama no because those things no that link ne wɔ hɔ sɛ media no section no ɛbɔ ɛno nso pollute wɔ because one more terms ne adeɛ ɔmo use wɔ phone so ɛne code a ɔmo use eti akora no ofie kora na ɔde obi di nkɔmɔ a wɔahwɛ yɛ wo parent no wɔn terms ɔmo use wɔn te aseɛ eti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtumi ne nkɔla ne nya that laser relationship no sɛ one on one ɔbaa maame no nya influence abayɛ no opia ebi wɔ obi bɛ fana kɔ party obi n'afɔ bi ba yɛ bɛ kɔ party wɔn anim no wɔnim sɛ wɔhyɛ ataadeɛ wɔ anim but n'afɔ no ɔba no okita baagi tí ọba another dress ọbẹyi ọdẹ ẹhyẹ mu wọbẹhu no video so ọbẹhu no party ase anasẹ media baabi a whatsapp baabi obi di ato so no na ọhyẹ ataade foforọ because anafọ na ọba ayẹ no ẹwọ ne nkọmọ ọmọ ẹdi ti no olùsọ ọhyẹ ataade bi ẹni maa ndẹ kasa wọbẹ n'ọdẹ ẹhyẹ n'adafọ ne baagi mu na wọn de ebie ma mọ ẹgá ne mo kita ne baagi eti ọkasa opi azu kasa ẹdẹ na mo de ẹhyẹ ọbaagi ne mu ọba no so kita ne handbag pẹ ẹsẹ ne kọn ho etu bisa ataade ọdi kọ ẹ eti most of the time yẹn nso ẹwọ si yẹtumi ẹni yẹn ma no ni nkọmọ ẹni anafofo a wọn wọn di nkọmọ ẹni wọn mu relate no ẹsi yẹ hu wọn yẹn nyẹ wọn contact yẹn hu efie kọ wọn firi mu wọn parents ne nyinaa ẹboa paa te sẹ ma yẹn hu wọn na ne bẹ yi akwaraa wọn di ẹbẹ ne papa te sẹ ne maame te sẹ ọpapa te sẹ ne maame te sẹ edwuma wei na ne papa yẹ ọfiri single home wọn nneɛma wei nyinaa ẹsi yẹ hu so ofiri awarefo fie na ɔno nko na ne maame ni hɔ na ɔno nko na ti a totally different ɔba no bɛsɛe nti ɔno nso point
wohwɛ ɛna dɛ sɛ wokaa saa dɛ ba wohwɛ a saa the media no have got influence for your man.
Oh yeah, media or influence.
No, influence Ben or free say or more.
Near Bone said, one say, say, more size will be a Colano, almost shy, YouTube near there, and what Colano. That's the media. Over on YouTube, or check, or site to say, knife phone, how it will operate, where it can kill the person suddenly, and YouTube. Over YouTube, I'm check it online. On your knife, I know the way back one. Oh, baby, one Insta, within a short of they check it online. And a knife is your toy online. Woman is age. It's woman in influence media. Media influence, no, because at the end of the day, no, so client check it or type in be how to use the knife. Now, man, one hair, then say one hair, they sing there. It's a man, Colano, oh, be so big. Oh, so big guide how to do it, but then we're ready. It would say, we'll be attacking here. You want to call one own but to be proud of yourself.
But your person is a question. Be over. Yes, sir. What you want to say when you say, yeah, 1 year, what you say, obey 1 year. You the genuine ones be your heart accidents, but by no near man. But say, what you want to say, what you know, clear as a koala, such as say, at the end of the Bible team, I'm more fast kind. And I said, Bibia Shell who said, who could share, said you will be. I have said, I do one at the can. I said, what you want to say, what you want to say, when you're here, at the end of the boat, I'm more cautious. I don't know.
They not make from the American say, oh, a plan of Cosco new Bulino, no beefy, not that, so I say communication anywhere. What else can I do? I have to find a way of defending myself. The way of me defending myself, say, me pebby beer, so the bacono baby bulimia, may ye not scare no, maybe a net. Not doing percent or the best abon, but on a person's approach, you know, any man say, Bia, any man fan stop on. I mean, in many cases, maybe nothing is there for them to say, I feel secure because I've been bullied a lot. There's no help coming from school, there's no help coming from nowhere. Whereas, maybe if you saw there's lack of communication, but my mom, how do I do it? I have to defend myself and also play.
And what about say, Bia? So, what can say, Bia will be bullied? And yet, I was so taking that action, and I said, I was so reporting.
More time or report to official report was it? Said Uncle School and Cramwa. But what if you say, or more time, he said, or grass, you know? They said, what should say, oh, weakness, and you know, I don't report. And in order not to show weakness, no, I have to defend myself. In order to defend myself, I have to have a weapon on me.
Okay. Now, this is a question, another one. Say, Colano Sebia, or more, what? If it's a peer pressure, so a play part where your manager. Peer pressure, I mean,
peer pressure in what aspects?
And Sebia, who will be ye, there was some maybe. Yes, I'm a ye, I must men come.
Yes. Say, I don't know, I can say, influence from friends. And I've got a pursue to do something that when you're keen to do. And come on, no be diano or pressure. Hey, Charlie, and you will be share. One say no, you're attacking. Say no, yeah. Oh, and my and Colano. It's also only Mwebi every day. Diana and Sagana, Oko school, Papa Michelle. And Grandma do baby was stage promo. Oh, my friend was school and the wolf. And for myself, it was not one for Bass baby. It's a big baby. I was a nipa be a bass more time. Come on, would dino. I said, we do feel when you come over, it will do nice or link up with another person or no so in the classroom. In that way, saying, no, so they are back. Oh, we have one communication and a more much broadening of mind as to how to defend themselves. It creates a lot of avenues for them. If you say, obviously, now on your being in come the only way I said the phone. Oh, she had don't couldn't book on the phone. Never or chatting. We'll be ready to go, when you go, phone we have more way, and we're for the way. But one of the some big cry attack a video. About the gang, but all of a sudden, or some panel group here, or more do on common. Only gang, but then or young one say, or a gang. Because Nama, and so pose on Sunday will be timid. And so pose, wow, say like, we both will be touching the way or not to cry any home. Well, and just peer pressure from the friends.
The evidence for what can peer pressure also. But I think as music I come already my young crowd hold my cranty meaning. If you one more thing say as a parent in Ankasano and I say family in Ankasano. And Kolana Kasamo if you know, yen sham Kolano a friend be say Pudu yen show more ding. So I say, send an hour Casabia, Kolana say to me no Mudin Como, and say to me, Ubio, I mean, to say the can say, or Nimani, you money papa, you might be afraid you mother said, Uncle Alcano. We buy you didn't buy you, and always some and bag smoke. Or Babanos is why tired in Colano School, to Colano mostly no, or Mufi say more communication like as a Mubenya for Madame for. But Mufi says, say, and in Colanity fear, and a young Colano time of pa, and you might 7 predators as you can hear you can. So I say, I'm so Colano, you bet me a show could do a said the can because a Colano say until be a voice apart from the teacher and a war. When you're sure send out for the overshare. And Colano be bra, 7 predators and home, and said, I prefer better to a more from I say. So I say, Omoa said predators, Omuna, Oman, what time of pan, and you hardly so which young say, Medding, or Messadi. So I say, Yea, man, no quite as a Framan near Banity, or be a Pessia near Marcasia City, or see a Pessica Cassiacase, or see this Cassia, or see a Shabusi, Benington, I stand piano, nay a prayer, who see a bed, you be be. So I say, now I'm no over time I cried the sing and Colana at the Yamenda, Adumiano. So I say, now I'm person be said. A dear pa, and an air course to say, oh, your family more than my back, so on tear yasem. A dear pa, because Sabi, a Juma 7 mamma and papa, a Juma. And some will feel crampona, a blue around a Juma, likely on your Juma weekends. A dear da dear pa, no munya for woman. Isaac, we did also.
Ada Jerry Yana and Pimpy Nina Scasem because you took one free yemas and our family members also rely on us in order for the Obenya again is ready. Debiane, you might say, I'll say, ye be or Ghana. Now, at the end of it all, where's the kid's future? Ye, Juma in I manning. A Kayan Kwa, give it my Juma to be an anki okay. And say a man so dear, and you quite maka crying your time, small maka cry, oh, she. Being said, they'll be making your time more. There's no way, say, of just why happy with you? When your influence be our baby, but when you're happy with you, not my about be any fear. The only person or place of a call to have fun to get influence outside. And yeah. Yeah, man who bang a baby. I don't think so. Or waiting up about time.
No, this is Cafe.
Send ye me on a can, and one say bet share your bet. Back home, we want to put up something for ourselves. In future, be a coffee, a benya baby, a deity, but me feel set and colano, set your man colano a priority. Oh, now your man those things near ye secondary matter because and colano in future. And to me, if possible, crab ponasi will scapra and me feel say and can see a yet baby our ha. Moma and Mofrano be a property, yet to be taught 9 cry, ye adwuma no na invested. Ewa ha. Na ye make sure see a man they are, you know, they are comfortable. Well, if you want to ben baby you could be making sure say they are with us. Well, before see a neglect and also a play parts until I'm this crime. It costs so much, you neglect it's say you change of mind. Mindsets.
Make sure be on YouTube and never share kakra our YouTube page about quite almost first one. We are your man, and I say your fast for and I say you know quite almost first one. We are and I will share baby. Ara hopa say akola only the innocent child go mu ana say wakwa de ka a we say we de nkutua na wo hwe mu susu a e fa bebre no ya me no me say nipa bebre bo be fu me was asking America o be me blemu awofo no so e fa me blemu yen so what you say because here na man ho kwan na uncle person be bisa person of my story like kakra about the what here about me office here ofri wana say about ofri person my a brief information kakra bi about said you know what here because said you need sika yes start you say the audit fee nko
yeah
and the audit appointing so what you say nti person my brief because nyema bi wo ha we need to fear unhu so what you say and okwa appointing so I also do there the okwa appointing it uncle maybe be information kakra bi a betimi abo awofo a be me ani share den ata ho
am say me ban di honestly yes be ya be praise no enkwara no ye mama me ensa ono to so me ensa at 23 no after from 18 ho now they had their decision out of 6 4 no because you're gathering here quite baby they want to know who is coming to that party or that funeral. He will ask you, is uncle this is coming their children? Is this one mom said I need my uncle because what was over there because of call very board. In society now, if they want to age honestly, you can't push them to come compulsorily at 18 or 6 form. Because or the no better item is share there, with my script there, because maybe I'm more corner. Number one, the type of music in the hall. The culture, the beer is the way I hear and boring to them. Is the right of every of the me, but no, it do have been not on call. So he has said himself with white guys. Area, maybe a tunnel, about 4 corner or need to be near enough. Also, need a closer, nay, relative be back. It as to how before attacking him, a yet neighborhood ground one. Because tell you who or no area where a tuntumba kuba fita for be jana ho the bibia abofo star enti who say obeka say oh enemy buafu oni say modi mu very calm we get this be mukra we say the president be o be interview never would know any conform me one kwakra di ni hada say like say oye bia o brain once wa ko school o nyahwe wo fie ona sa na ye titi ho ye ma ye release ye ho say ye kwaduma ye portion ye ho time say me be fie oba me wo gwale bia na me ko back it be be no self employed say bia me nya kwan e wo fie time o mo fie na me try to say wo be fie it gwale ye man in fact honestly me praise him but then we brought them well. It was quite unfortunate say at that groom day na ye be to go Canada family holiday nyina na ye go na ye wo fie na or yes or opportunity or call baba nearest baba or car but he chose to go on the bike because of parking space. It will always query him why are you not taking your car? Say no if you best mayor now I'm ticket last time I'm ticket because me the bike go me be have give rails or free any 10 minutes I'm not full big group of boys be onimo and yes will be on more one-on-one again a number for no way but as to what really happened one morning nya say interaction na you know I don't know I didn't see him something unfortunately no one kasa from the day of the stabbing to the day he passed away that 11 days no he never opened his eyes or opened his mouth to tell us exactly where what it is assumption and the police want to assume say it's either a wrong identity from the way I wanted one some or never would know and now say bike naked and an expensive bike you know and now say bracelet and be done the dress and be they wanted to attack him for it but as to how what went on the movie police want to assume on police being out saying the people mama say when you fall into that trap it's quite unfortunate and we say me say me nyin to that say man sign no but one more area there no one more side na me for say ebia omo titi ebia anko yama wo and as to why they attack my son I can't really tell ɛno ne adeɛ a mepɛ sɛ daa yɛbɛkɔ trial no ɛsɛ nyame nkyɛ deɛ yɛnsa ka nipa deɛ no ɛkɔ trial na wɔbisa no mɛka kyerɛ gɛ lawyer no sɛ wɔbisa no ɛdeɛ ne baayɛ mpɛ sɛ mehu nea bɔne a akwaraa no yɛyɛ nti a ɛma wɔn yɛ ne saa
mɛbɛ mu ha mɛbɛfoa me papa deɛ nso menim me nua no from the age of 7 if not but yɛada papa de ne ba meyi tiri no na meyi Joshua ɛna no ɔmo tui ɔno aka wankasa ɔmo nyina ɔmo ameke ɔmo decision as to where they wanna cut their hair na on the day of the stabbing no na no ɔfɛ yaba me nkyɛn ɛma me yi ti na ɔsɛ Kwame me bɛkɔ Tuesday na ɛma ne bɛkɔ Tuesday na hwan ne bɛ de nkwa bɛkɔ airport ama me mesrɛ wa ya bɛ form kɔ airport nti ɔbi ne ti wi akɔ no text me sɛ Kwame ɛne panyin ne number mi nti ya afɛ ɛna sɛ ankɔ na address ne the next text the bar from me for HSA minua no ya stab no na me ko minua na yie ne bi de me cancel no for den sɛ wo hwɛ ne clips wo hwɛ emrofo mo ba yie na emrofo tribute cry no touch me and made me cry than say I be before tribute or me fa cry no wo hwɛ ne holiday clips here the only black person you saw in that clip will be Joshua so kwa cry am fa so stab minua no me am timi ho na ma fo busa me Kwame ntu fi say Uncle Frank bay enye gang me say me Joshua na me nim say the Uncle Frank there's nowhere there gang nti me so kokko me koyin kokko do say yes enye gang because enough fo nyina ya abrofo the abrofo bay nyina turning Africans or our attire they were wearing it they could even console themselves them abrofo cross more than year before na yo nti we nyina che say yinia no it could be his identity, it could be the bike, it could be the bracelet that be or a channel and a man or more attack. And I'm the best one of again.
Well, we can
send me a chassis and we can be set a set our form your bumpire. Yeah, a caution now. Not from dear, your bed fan is a normal thing. But Bibi a yet beyond a limit, no, your fan is a normal. Because even though no other countries they've been affected, but young Ghanaians in their community no, your ma ena
as adults pa. Well, it's no me feel sad. Set your year hona your bomb pie na every day and sa a buy a man so na obonifona or techra. Or pesa or wear your money dachi no when you make a yin few of my year. I say, you make your timid sad now. Before say changes, but because before it wasn't like this. Why is it now? There's just a few about how many years now this thing started? This year, no, Ushemwa and Korai Astabu is about 107.
107.
Now, I push more Ghana phone call is about 70%.
Yes.
Again.
And you quite yet, me what I regime make cassette is to do spiritual. They said, before me, Banny, yes, stubborn, I had a dream. The dream I made me now, it's like I was looking for something. Well, now it happens, somebody called me, my sister in law, if she one another. One brother de make a call. It's him right. Me call home, and then me set showcase. Let me go see a newspapers. Me pray. It won't me go to it. Till me go to one now. Me gazing and say, this is what I'm looking for. Or let us say, newspaper hand. See, me yeah man to me and I'm sure, baby. Me my dear. Me lost in you. Into me sama me you dear. Me baba my baba be. It's no many things I'm saying newspaper. I was wondering. Now I didn't understand it. Even though me born pie, me born na. I did basic the any idea be your word here. No. Basic see. So it's no me share a newspaper ni asoshe no. Na me ba ni the no middle. Na me pray see. At that time me ba ni stable no na me say about 66 or 67. And Edro, something like that. It was 75. Yeah, it was 75. To hear, that newspaper, one had happened already. It's not me the war. The next, and then it be so. Exactly, and what is about to happen. Do you understand? It's no meant to me and you mediano. Sure, a see. Well, a spiritual thing, you have to understand spiritual things. It's no, young pipe. We need to pray.
And you know, Obia TB because dear Bruno, and ye young Kwa, this in your baby. And Obetiaka said, you will be by an answer what for me, but and I some of you crown penasem crab and I had to know. And yet far from Obia, a bit not to Obia. Then you now say no, I was seeing an eye see me up. To say, team up and say woman, and yes, send me a crack of frail be an answer me can't up to concern and say, when you say, we still say, because you reach me at all. Ubia would see a piano, but me a friend number, your number no a display ever in the screen or so. Ubet me a friend number no, baby, I will be offering a WhatsApp call, so cry. You bet me a because said, you know, hear more. You know, hear more, Sabi, you hear my home, you hear my ma, you hear my offer as if for no. Ethiopia, oh, be a Trebia, now bet me a day after, be and I said, no, I must be an Esremoa. Dear Bruno, and yet me no million and I think you may can we want 7 and be cool and want to cry. You none was here because your bread and a manner you lose woman. Shame fear to do Uncle Frank in any area. I shall about withdraw. Now one day, pet, would be the before, so I say, I was here boy. It is from a line here, and so display number no screens into what would be a bit near friend or swatch and I know and I must say. Now, come back to not many bony being come about, sir, knife, gun and knife stabbing. And what can be this way? They say, but you're more chocolate because when you make key point to pass it, but the amotino, but the amotino, yeah, and then to play parts. Now, I'm going to show you to play parts.
And play part on the stabbing because you are trying about 11 years. You say attack you because not even a car breaking. Yes, a car breaking car crowd area where it's in money a back further down to the Blue Honey Bemos the underground station. Hardly because cameras were area it is only a very quiet place and some place to live. It is near about the better now. Honestly, he's lived a good life. Before what year, but he wasn't mingling with people before. Now, me share time or me free muna. The 75th boy who free no again anybody. I saw me body years time. No again anybody. Me bad girl or no Joshua actually bad girl. I call 1 week in be because again Anna or me boy and stable sister and for. It will call 1 week in be. Your buy no. What you talking about calling? No so can anybody madam be can say to body dey no any say name no. E mo omo use affiliated board. They get a single board, one day I may have board. It's not on me back and just you don't want I'm sure minimum piazza. You want my parents make the minimum. But no could be. It within 10 days. Not just want to say, oh, the day that goes wrong. Before what's happening? I will be aware and where I was going. I don't want to pay my opinion. That's the utterance that he gave us. The boy on your day. And Mr. Tony. I was like, government attacking and says it's using a group youth gang being attacking. So, okay, nice. Like, he was trying to complain, not knowing he was the next person to be attacked. 1 year boy, no, 1 year, 1 boy in 1 week, Saturday, no. The Monday, I need to start with Joshua. Anna, what was that on? Yeah, it was a television as well. It was a one. Oh, yes, I can be honest, but how effect it is until it happens to you. The bad call boy, if I am yes, I can get any bad, but not I said, cry to be sure you didn't know. Maybe the call it took over a year minimum. But a year no, not just what anybody did that over a year, no, not just on the hospital, intensive care, on life support. That over a year, that no be same boy, no. That not just for free that Friday. In fact, I did it number 76. Now from June, we September. You come in 31. Out of 31, about 22 Ghana for. Within 3 months, bro, within 3 months, June to September. Boy, you're not you, and I know your friend, you're crying, and I'm present contact address, and you're going on the wiki. Because you want to share our agreement with them because we've gone through now. We know what they are going to do. We can just imagine when we are sitting there, we just imagine the way the man was the only son. I was saying, Ghana for Asamba radio, so somebody said the team of Ghana radio, they cut their opinion out of. I don't know how people feel when people are grieved. They talk as if every child is a bad boy. And this boy is a DJ. He went to play on somebody's birthday at an appointment. Now he's more or less is in his job. He's working. And then the fight broke up in the party. Unfortunately, he was rather got stabbed. Not the person having the party, not the person who killed the person. He, the DJ, who got stabbed. As to what really happened, nobody knows. But then when it comes to the radio, somebody even came up to the radio saying that 20 years, one person and a DJ no here. How can a Ghanaian say that a 20-year-old boy is doing a DJ? Is it a bad job? When a 20-year-old boy is doing a barber job, is it a bad job? He can't get a job in Sainsbury's and that to stress him up, and he's doing his own business. Now, who can you know? When it comes to a place, now a party, and a bear party, no pedija. The banning to me when they say, open an arm and oh, yeah. What do you guys say with an DJ? Yan and baby, young Corano. Now, why are you condemning a child on the radio? I see yes, on Donald Timano and my own. Oh, and I have a software also. They should share. The only software because of time communication with BI or some football match. I saw what they say, I will be sick. They don't follow up. I just a check member.
No, I never be become a sergeant.
I just a check member. I don't check member. I'm going to hear anything like I'm afraid. It won't say you can't follow up. Some report man, but say a colleague, but what's your address? So from report man of your mouth, Bishop. Obviously, you can just go and pay the parents a visit. Just to say a word of encouragement to them. Oh, but the Ghanaian process here don't do it. All they do is just come to the radio and then just advertise on their programs, their meetings, their anniversary. They want people to come and support them. But why could the person come if you didn't pay a visit to somebody's funeral? You don't have to go to parties only or weddings only to show yourself. Such things is where we show. We say where there's bereavement, that's where our love comes.
Okay, but I was so much in suffer because the say okay I mean 1 week in COVID. Now we do one more you saw your bad time sana adena because we jina bia ye wo akwa sikan na obeda na obi ye na ho arvo ye na oho pra no arvo na ofo suro na akwohwe ne maame ene ne papa so what you say unya bad time kra so na edin be ne ebe kan so what you say because ye kwa ebi kwa adwuma na do ebetimia emfa wo se wonya emfie 80 years 100 years ebetima to obia so what you say na se de na wo ka se nkola na bi wo ho no ma de ehu no nye sa na ye na etie no ho no kakra na be pese metie as because se de ye tie wo radio so no ana se de nkofo eba na ye ka no so what you say eye bibi different kura dan se wan kasa wo tro contact wo mo no so what you say hu ye se ye kura se nye se wo kan ya nipa bebre ni mu se baby a party na mokwa no kra na den to kwa den esi wo ho no obi o akra ofra na ofra se eniema a omo hwe video no eniema na ekoso a run eno na omo hwe eniema so what you say eno ya de a wo say ye me ani da for me jai say ye condemn nipa bi say ebi a sebe enye mata no nko a ewum se fa so mata no so di for bi so what you say enye mata no so nko because say de do no obi a ni bi ade na di free ba na de me pesa me kakra me pesa me bisa e wo ho no se da ben adie ne ye sofo no mo ye because nsoro bebre ye kono obi okra mpo na sofo no nim se obi o ha okwa asore se me sofo wo se yi nkunya bi wa ha se nti se me predasa ma especially mo ma pa na motare sa ade no so what you say what is sofo no kan nsem bi o bi ho nti no pa mo afọ atare ahye na ọkọ ebi asa time no kwa na best spend time wo no so ọkọ so true for di vo no aka bi bia da achiro ọkọ na ọkọ akra na ọkọ tie no ba ọka se ọba o ba de obi na feel one okase wukunu a se be preduasa e ho na oba na starting chokwa so what you say e was say a drum pepesuo bi say ho ye ma ye ni bie because seven preduasa yeti kroma say ye krom for say the Ghana for nkwa na neme bi o ho anoma ye nya de omo ani bie o ho but bi no suti o kroma say pa ni was akus bebre just so for crowd me am manipulate obi ne yere oto ho ama oba no kra osofo no eka bibia no osofo no tie ba ni kunu na aka se ona na tie no kra nkasa no oka bibia nya den nti egu aware bebre so what you say ade na betimi aye because yen sofo no no omo moa yen ade na betimi aye
ye betimi aye ni se e o se ye gi ehudi sofo na se benyankopon afre ne so e verse no yeso e verse se me kom ko tujwe na bunku tujina me bompae se nenye bone so a se de nyankopon ti osofo na bompae ama no sa ne na popon so beti nje o se wise na me so yetimi ese se nyankopon na afre yesofo no yeso afre just say me ma o se do bakra de about no ne so yetimi nya time ne se ne ma no kra be bompae read the Bible scriptures so fia mu se no so be boa da se de ebre be hye oso mu se o wo hye nkoma na wo yese nti fi se no so ko like me ya be boa
na
say Bible I can play say at the latter days no actually for ever yen say Bible so de e kasa na kasa ko no na brade de bo so nya sase de bo ye nyina enti no eno na yehunu nti sane me nua be makan e se ye ma ye ni eda ho na sane wo kan say sofo nwa na church member wako sofo ne sofo beka e na obe utie ne obi a se bi obe fia wo ne wo kun beka ne de wo mfa ana se bibi a ti sa no me fi se entwa yie entire se ye tumi agi ye hudi yes ye were true pastors ye were true prophets well they are there because Bible knows aka well to find them so why among paya you might fall into a wrong hand but to find them no you're so to be a prayerful person so what I say to be a prayerful person open paya ready be lead you to the right man of God we need them they need us one more ho ye hia one so hia ye so what I say eti no send your Bible no aka no esi yetimi yenya ye hu yetimi ehu onyame ase yenya adaje na esua onyankopon ase because erade akasa oti wo mu a bebi a befre ni bia no obeti eni kwa so do ure hye so called man of God and our prophets enu se oni ho a what do you do
na
no say ure hye so for but then what I was saying that as of they have a role to play apart from their own church members. As someone by now, woman to say Ghana for maybe you come, and I want to say yeah, what you radio to call the radio station, link up Ghana phone, at least you can link up and get a source where the person lives. Just the baby by a sort of free different domination about the book anymore. How much you know by? Ghana first of all, they bring so by a year, Bishop. I don't want to mention by Bishop Francis for saying, or by minimum encounter, but he had it. He came. Suffolk Kingsley appeared. He had it. He was in Ghana. He made his pastors come on his behalf on the day of Thanksgiving. He ordered his place for us. He offered his place for us to have the memorial service. Well, these are the troopers. They link up. Oh, they link up with us. We don't have to get so much committed to them for them to do that. But then they came up, we really appreciated them. When we saw them at the service, we were just surprised. But we didn't invite them. Oh, it is South Africa, the Ghana radio station, station be a Ghana radio bear 20 Oklahoma. And be also will be preaching also. Don't they hear this coming on? They do. All they do is just pray, general prayer. That's not enough. I'm saying it. It's not enough. Now, practice makes things work. It makes work. It is effective. Mami and the bedroom of the Baba fine. As of we call it, as of I in the name, but then cannot also in London, especially.
You call Bishop Free Palmas.
He's calling him, that's what I'm saying. yes, maybe you're telling me more, but he comes there almost every 3-4 days. You're not staying.
Me can't tell that Bishop Frimpong also organize it or very organize it about Ghana and Africa near question. I mean, almost the date in the to home or Bia could channel you or per se. I mean, so could see because of everyone. But it's so funny to home so swat to say, it's not just in softness on Kwao. Oh, yes, of course. Uncle can be from the beginning. What shall our Regina to contribute to sideways so far?
Mainly, our Regina a bit more contribute. Because now, a Bassa Colano or your balance. Or no, or no, or new acquire for us, or Mubishi, I am Bewono. And maybe as someone as a good as a general of Mujawayano, he got nothing to do with it. It's our idea. I was saying, young parents, you try to call away. Me banano, me team and yagano, ni mammy po, I call it really quiet, be really say. And was some more parents won't come into terms. But the more Chroma baby say, I will tell you about of time about most parents.
At the end of the time about.
That's what the circumstances and numbers are here by. Number one, it's in your time back. Or baby to me, a Cassinico, to say, what me being a no, and a baby to me domain here. Out of year. Circumstances are already anybody know. A bad circle out way, a young man, a big young man. You got all much about what that ever colliding.
And so, over just so Barnett do me Bemano. And I said, Bemano, Barno.
I'm a big young man. Another Crano, is solely a pure advocated Christian. Our no deputy or seeking him, the spirit Asian Yamesa, yet would you know, and this are said to me in the little. So I guess I know a literal child or never go up and down. And you were so confident I'm giving the essence of the meaning maybe our own parents anymore. Maybe I'm a tea and I create them to say parents and divorce. But then, not young, maybe one parents got together.
But the same is that, man, it's Osha. I mean, question we talk about war and Isaac is so. Uncle, the way I do, I can say, sir, our giant. Sometimes you are not a kind of sour giant. If you open any our giant, because if you have any green money on the TV, as so much hour. So I say, I don't know, and they were almost swear. So one job I reckon on TV and cramp on the so I say, a dear communication, and I mean no, as so banner, I won't afraid. A dear communication, I mean, you know, the Enya. Because almost there, as Uncle Khan, almost some whatever we need, you know, and almost shit. So that's some of the bomb bra. It is a no if you name no dinkomo, you know, a share or I was a chair on Christo Sumbem, I was said the Diana together, I was said, the mouth here, said, we will suffer news of the problem. Ubikacha said, Selma, what Chiracola said, your child, dear, such as it. What is our child, and not Chiracola said, is a child, dear, on the Chilema. Yes. So I say. It's a dear influence now, as a parents, no soon. Yes, you are on Palano so. When it comes to say our Jaya, because me do how much Jawari, and as a good almost Jawari as a pa, meaning the beer, almost Jawari as a pa, but understanding their friend, understanding the it's a play mothers no, any fathers no. So I say, dear no officer, this animal, dear, the beating out there, and just so animal in
Our Jaya bar and Colani dear, only innocent. Any consent Colani be affected because of our Jaya. Okay, both parents, one to Mamma, be binti, Mwaba into divorce. Fine. Senkola Omwa, as a mutimi eba into agreement. No Muha Kwanya, Mune Mofrano, Ebetina, say Afa. Ebia, father or to every fear. Maybe a cat, mother and children at home. Bibi because someone need good terms, sir. Say, Bibi quite wrong. Ewo, and Colana Braboma. Want to me and can't travel Jana, myself. Our and Nano. So, but set because in Colana, as woman, Nibia, woman, Nano. A bedroom baby no war as a madam. A bedroom baby no, you don't have that father head, you know. Authority, no. Well, Colano was as my mom, but a jow fear. I am not stroke a crack. suro kakra wo enti no se munni sa good ayi no so na e drive nkwala na away bedu baabi no mada no be ya fe na mada no wa feda no wa give nkwala no
mpacho me twa no ho ye wo fathers bi wo so a ono wa na dweso ne ma no de on fa wo ene o mothers bi so ho no mo a wa na dwese ne father no de o ma no nye interference so tia say eno no wo fi say no so wo influence wo sa situation you come to see
definitely betumi because akwala no afa sane na make no bedu baabi no mada no wuntumi control akwala no especially mema wo enye easy so hu bia wakọ abonten na wakọ follow into different friends when influence akwala no from outside when who as a parent as a mother no wo hu enso so no wuntumi because say wo hu say da bia onu wo fie nti no won fa wasam onya asem papa so ati ase ba eja no wo ho dia eja bu na ni kura na akola no ede otie
ndase anko me pese ma atiefo for some amount kai about a family no be se wo kuma obi bia wo tie bia no afutu kakra de be ma no about separation divorce and I say the tifie kura no yankasa no so may a little bit advice because you move a brave free say in so I say and I said in previous yeah you say we are say I want your papa na kasa enti no you can't you try to tie bone it say your can all can bone say so I say dear future no little dear my
future can say our for it motifi obi eni otiska akọwa in the town for is a way I want to feel no one Tim once when Nima want to do like Kola. Honestly, Mamma argue on Kolan. Men to phone a Malcolm our many. Men ma Kolan Musa Ukun Umuno. Men ma Oiri and Kolan Musa Oiri to Umuno. And Alpha Irin Yashi. A quiet person I don't give a cassa or Kolan or the bedroom. Kolan won't be one so more I give a kid than I had on the. Oh, you was a man, what's going on? Kakrebi about papa baby say papa what's going on oba go say ni maani na ni maani be ka no na kora no ojetum o mi say papa na da what's akora no be hatred about the papa no wo mo tifie na say bi na say ikoso a akora no onye happy most at the most wa kan to bam because number 1 na mo be na ye dede twi kasa na akora no do wo mo nke twi no a na ye ka wo mo ti it may have say parents more honma more susuma ebufuo mra montem won kwai and I say odonti na mo worry wa say mutimi hectares na bibia ni a mo sort out amicably dan say be ya customer nji number 2 e ya bibia parent every fee because all the fee po na say eni me say koso eni ka utu fee kwa ge 2 your parents are what to fee e man be no mo na wa ja ye papa wo be ma no na say opie fee na je fee ma obu o pese be ma no kra be bibia kra wa fe bia o fre kwa na kra ka sa check na o be phone ale ele asem bia ele won na ka say channel friend oh e ma kra no elu guard wo de papa ni papa no di ya o se ma wo me ba na o ma me kwan e ma me no mpo ka sa o phone so it afa ba say need bi ba you feel reluctant to give enye die me suppose say bema bi so yes but then no e wo treatment that only bema e treat dia bema bi so wo a e kwen oba ne ye money wo pam ne fifie ndi no why na bi say ka hook crack on bed dia ti mo kala no and we say bema so enye e bi say bible crack say wo akola ya wo responsibility wo akola ya wo responsibility wo tete akola no e wo nyame so na say wo fear trembling na o ti eso nyame yi e tu ja ware a akola na ne aban aware ne on fa wo hwe I was so bad, maybe I'll go there. So bad here. With edition. Or bad man, your community ways will come over first one. You have custody to the children. Irrelevant of how the situation is. So, Trisika or you just want them, and your police for Pamoa. Who was whom man, you make a meeting place for you to see your children, talk to them. It will be money over every absent to do that.
No, when you say the public do, and I'm saying previous and never be any sound right in it.
And I will right on him, but on yet. Oba no wey ti kwa uncle siki say So photo na me dey ma ba ko.
No, a good point.
So the back on say why you want this idea change your mindset. If say back up baba say here akora no ko e bibi na ofiri mu nne. What you can say you see over unko bi. So ho no can say time akora no film na come and you know or ex-wife ni vie no. What part are you going to play? You were not there when they needed you. You neglected them as a man. Now that something has happened, you are coming in for what? Oh, it's never dispute about you know. About like my grandmother is in the very man here, Messi man here. Oh, meanwhile, it's like, oh yes, I didn't go BBC. Obviously, they okay you go. So they say, you know, I'm saying I will find the one man. You the year but our room. Now our room is not share. Now share divorce. Yeah, circumstance a man divorce ever. And which I never come on back. It's the own person about silence a woman to me. Seven to count, that's all move. Separation doesn't mean hatred. Who separate you be? And this is hating. Because now don't until I'm more than one. I can't wear Umoja per se. It's the episode done. Right there, my point, change your mindset. How to say, you hear me say, no, hear me say, or hear me say, me 3 I don't know, no. And moi, Obama, and moi, Obama. It's shame on the
Forgiveness.
whatever it is, it's on the channel. Because all move on life, they are never fear, never no communication. Because I'm a number me. So in Yana beginning, so you change social media, so number, then you discuss and you say the man. I said again, never make me move on our level for. Who's make me move on our level for? So, but there's a more the hatred, Bema, baby, I will be on baby, I'll never from the Bama Bema for a while, Museo, the man of any. Time so so she uncle and the old Shiano. And I'm in one Shiano. So Bema tears say, who am I? That's what to answer.
But I work at Paris was my
Kakra no what is so say. In Bimpini, near Manity. I'm a group and Pennsylvania be a master if it's also called Juma. This Gabefia. Especially be a play who Papa Nana, who are Juma teacher or this Gabefi. Who got £170 to a national. You need to question where the source of the money is coming from. We tend to neglect that. At times, if you are not prepared for fear or provide this can be a man and nano. Not bear my fear, why a father to the mother. Into a book, the drugs are not cotton. No bar, or my men to say, and what you know, or mine where the money is coming from. No, so it's a rent and all the chair. And you know, or see SCB and in your share, say the man who Pia, dear no more the and name of the Befi and very, very important. Until your man, young cohon, your name of me, or dress code, or money may be on Cassabin, yes, I have city city and say, Bema and the matter.
I don't do this as my
What else can I say? I'm saying I can't now.
your bartender.
About your
bartender. And I only said your 7 predators and ma I will come her. Said your near my own come or yell so what I said. And I only mass so come or soon. And near my body members see the FM. So what I said. Jeff to be a bit media my area no more shade.
My more share, man, most of my dream. Mommy and Fanny, so you're sorry, I quite sorry. So full age, Mommy and fat as some now, when you could a canona. When you go past some, answer everything. So it's no, say it's me a Fanny, me some edits now. I believe, say, divorce crowd, Emma. Well, it's mothers, no me am right, Hossy, Emma, you run. Na yes sir you run monso ebe bedoye na you run monso so mo no yen mo do yen ya yes ye bebre ye ho ase e de ama enti no emsa kakra meka eno me nya bonifafri because ye nya bonifafri dia nya ye kan na ne crime violence abena is to do with our children. Discussion is because of our children. It is say yenya abrasie yenya forgiveness. Na ya tutu nyeme bi enwu na ya mu ye ni enwu nyeme bi so. Na ya amfe ni ya focus on our children. Omo be get it out of hand. And also yempe obia empenisa. So we have to sacrifice for our children. The bitter forgiveness of sin. ebi ne sɛ nyame asɛm yɛbɛfa na yɛde abɔ yɛn bra because menim sɛ Ghanafoɔ deɛ most of us no we all go to church na nyɛ going to church no nko a wokɔ church a ɛno nkyɛ sɛ woyɛ Kristoni ba wofa asɛm no na wode to do the will of God no ɛno na ma woyɛ Kristoni enti no ɛmfa ho ne sɛneɛ tibia no ɛsitie bia wareɛ no problem ɛwɔ mu sɛ onyame asɛm ɛwɔ mu na sɛ ɛba ne yɛ den koraa na ɛsiane sɛ Awurade ahu sɛ wo no wapie wo part no God will come in for you and there will be peace and your children also will have peace. That's all.
It's here for and then will be a TV ahomete ɛna arɔho ɛna sisi no bia nim de ɛkɔ wonim de ɛsɛ kyena wo ba kɔ school so bɛba so ɔkɔ party so bɛba ɛna sɛ bi ehuma ɛwɔ kurom ha sɛ wontimi nkye ne nhwa motuo sɛ wo ma no nkɔ baabi a aduru mra wɔ sɛ nyina yɛ sori gyina ɛwɔ sɛ yɛte yɛ ni ehwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ sɛbe nsɔre na ɛkɔ no ɛboa bebree but wo bɛ sɛ asɔre na wɔkɔ no sɛ wofi sɛ no na wobɛgya wo ma no ho akɔ Nyankopɔn kɔ na ne nyɛ wo ho ɛwɔ sɛ wo ma w'ani ba wo ma no ho so ɔte aseɛ ɛna sɛbi mpɛduasa yɛn nuanom nso so na sɛbi ɔmo firi fie na ɔmo firi fie no sɛbi mɛma no bebree ɔmo firi fie na ɔmo ma ɔmo ne nkɔ ɔmo ma no ho anaasɛ mmaa no so bebree no so a ɔmo ɛmpɛ sɛ mmarima no so bɛyɛ dɛ ɛbɛkɔ ɔmo ma no ho no ɔmo yɛn nyinaa mbrɛ together because saa percentage na yɛkeka no yɛwɔ ayi ne wɔ ha sɛ bebree a sɛ yɛka si ekɔ mu a ɔmo wahwɛ a wote akyire a wobɛsu ɛnɛ yɛde saa dwumadie yɛ aba awieɛ na yɛfiri sɛ from next week no yɛbɛsa atena se biam ɛwɔ saa gun and knife crime yi sɛ ngyae yɛ a yɛsɛ yɛ dɛn yɛso yɛ nyae ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbaatan biara ɔfa biara ɛna sɛ nnua biara nso yɛbɔ biara pono nneɛma obiara ho sɛsɛ nneɛma yɛ dɛn ɛkɔ so nie yɛdɛm ase bebree sɛ wohia advice so anaasɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ wɔ akyire so a yɛ number wɔ screen no so wobɛtumi afrɛ anaasɛ mmea kasa bɛ wokɔ Facebook a wohwɛ di personal gya wobɛtumi nsa bɛka me anytime biara medeɛ sɛdeɛ mo nkyi na mewɔ ha adwuma no a ɛyɛ no ɛnyɛ me ɛna ɛnyɛ Uncle Frank anaasɛ mama anaasɛ yɛn nyinaa no obiara nto boa sɛ deɛ obiara nto boa ehia sɛdeɛ bia yɛnte saa nneɛma wei ɛwɔ asom sɛbe nyɛ Ghanafoɔ nko ara because bia na ɔba ɛne obiara foforɔ so yɛ deɛ edi agorɔ asase mbɛto no santo ɔba no koraa na ɛto na danfo a bisa ɔba no sɛ deɛ na ɔrekɔ mu ɛne kwan politimi ha no education yɛdam ase bebree ɛne nneɛma wɔtie
Frank, thank you very much. You've been very productive. Ma, where are the washing? Number one.